How to make vegan miso soup. Hi, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. Alright, so today I'd like to share with you how to make miso soup the vegan way. What do you mean by vegan miso soup? Isn't all miso soup vegan? Well, actually not. Yeah, depending on what kind of dashi you use. Now, dashi broth is something we put in miso soup, and the most popular one is katsuobushi. It's a bonito flake. It's a fish based, and the second popular one is niboshi. That's a small sardine. That's also a fish based too. Yeah, but if you're vegan, you don't wanna add any fish-based dashi, and then you have the alternative, and that is kombu dashi, kombu seaweed. Yeah, and this is very popular way of making miso soup too. Yeah, and then what you need to do is you need to soak kombu, and you need to probably soak kombu overnight. I mean, you can actually make it after soaking like 20 minutes and so on. That's possible, yeah, but better if you soak it overnight. So you put it in a bowl like this, and then you put water like that, and then you soak it overnight. Yeah, and then but don't worry, I've got the one that I've already soaked last night too. The next process is soaking wakame, because we always put wakame seaweed in the miso soup. And so you put some dried wakame into miso soup bowl. Again, it can be any kind of bowl, but I just use the miso soup bowl because then you can use it later too. Yeah, and then you pour water, and then this time you can just soak it for about 20 minutes. Yeah, so if you do that in the beginning of making, then by the time you kind of finish making miso soup, you can put wakame at the end. Yeah, then it is ready. All right, and then you can put all kinds of vegetables. In fact, any kind of vegetables are okay. Yeah. So today I will put some carrots and broccoli, daikon radish, and Chinese cabbage. Yeah, hakusai, Chinese cabbage. Yeah, right. And so I will first boil water. Okay, so I have got kombu soaked, yeah, already. I did it last night, yeah. So today I'm going to use this. Okay, so first I turn the gas on. Then you wait till it is boiled. Okay, now it is boiled, right? So when the water is boiled, you can start putting some vegetables. So first you wanna put some hard vegetables such as daikon, and carrots. And by that time you can take the kombu out. Especially once you soak the kombu overnight, then you don't need to continue putting it. When you soak kombu, like maybe 20 minutes before you start cooking, maybe it's better to, continue. It's better to have the kombu while you're cooking as well, but now you don't need it. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm going to take the kombu out. And you want to cut them. Yeah, most people don't, use kombu after that, but I like to put them in the soup. Then you can put broccoli. And finally, you can put Chinese cabbage. And when all vegetables are boiled, you finally put wakame. Yeah. So now look at this. See, it is already soft. Yeah. So you can just soak wakame for about 20 minutes and becomes very soft. Yeah. And then at the end, you put wakame, including the water, the soaked water, into the soup. So in the beginning, you don't need to put so much water because you add a little water with wakame at the end. You may want to turn the gas up. And then you don't need to cook wakame really. So when the water comes back to boil again, you can turn the gas off. Yeah, so now it is boiled again. So I can turn the gas off. Yeah, and then you can put miso into it. So you don't want to boil miso, therefore it is critical that you put miso after turning the gas off. And then, so this is the kind of miso package, and you can use a ladle like this, and then maybe take for this much amount of water. Yeah, it's almost as close to the full size of ladle, but a little less than full. Yeah, and then you put it into the bowls, into the pan slowly, and then using chopsticks, you mix the miso into the hot water very gently and slowly, mixing miso into the hot water. So you can just take the water off, and then you put it deeper, then more hot water comes in, and then you can melt the miso into it. Then finally you mix the miso into the soup all together with the vegetable. Okay, and you can put the lid back on. That's it. That's how you make miso soup. And then I'll usually leave it for about 1 minute, and then I'll put the soup into the bowl. Now you can put miso into the miso soup bowl using the ladle. Just put like that. So it is just like that. Yeah? Good. Okay, so I'll eat it. Very good. Excellent. All right, that's it. That's how you can make miso soup the vegan way. Right. Thank you for watching. Again, my name is Sachiaki Takamiya. I am the author of the Ikigai diet and Ikigai biohacking. If you like this video, please give me your thumb up and subscribe to my channel. And please leave your comment. Have you made miso soup? And how do you usually make it? Okay, so I'll see you in the next video. Live with your Ikigai!